Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of LearnWorlds, one of the most powerful and feature-rich platforms for creating, marketing, and selling online courses. Whether you're an educator looking to scale your teaching online, an entrepreneur building a coaching business, or an organization looking for an e-learning solution, this platform aims to provide everything you need in one place. So, if you're thinking about launching an online course or upgrading from another LMS, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether LearnWorlds is the right choice for you. LearnWorlds is a cloud-based learning management system that empowers users to create, host, and sell online courses with a strong emphasis on interactivity and engagement. Unlike some basic course platforms that just let you upload videos and PDFs, LearnWorlds stands out by offering dynamic learning experiences. What does that mean? Well, it means you can create fully interactive videos, ebooks, quizzes, and surveys, turning your course into something much more immersive than a traditional slide deck or video series. This approach can significantly boost students' engagement, making your content more appealing and increase course completion rates. Now let us talk about the main features of LearnWorlds. Course creation. First and foremost, the course creation tools are top tier. LearnWorlds offers a drag and drop course builder, making it easy to design courses without any technical expertise. You can incorporate various multimedia elements including videos, audio files, PDFs, SCORM content, and interactive ebooks. This platform allows you to structure your course with modules and lessons, ensuring a smooth and organized learning experience. Interactive video. One of my favorite features and a huge advantage over many other platforms is LearnWorld's interactive video capabilities. With this tool, you can add quizzes, overlays, clickable buttons, and even links directly within your videos. This feature transforms passive watching into an active learning experience. Imagine your students clicking on embedded links to external resources or answering questions while watching a lesson. That's a game changer for engagement. Assessments. Next, we have the assessments feature. If you want to ensure your students are actually absorbing the material, LearnWorlds provides robust tools for creating quizzes, exams, and assignments. You can customize your assessments with various question types such as multiple choice, fill in the blank, and open-ended questions. Plus, you can set passing grades and issue custom certificates upon completion, helping students feel a sense of accomplishment and adding credibility to your courses. Website Builder. Another impressive feature is the built-in website builder. Instead of relying on a separate platform like WordPress, LearnWorlds lets you create a professional-looking website with customizable templates. Whether you're building a landing page, a sales page, or a full-fledged e-learning site, the drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to customize your site to match your brand. Plus, it includes blogging functionality, so you can attract more visitors through content marketing. Mobile App Builder. Now, for those who want to provide their learners with a seamless mobile experience, LearnWorlds offers a white-label mobile app builder. This means you can launch your very own branded app, allowing students to access courses anytime, anywhere from their smartphones or tablets. If you're serious about offering a high-end learning experience, this feature alone can set you apart from the competition. Now, let us talk about the pricing. This is where many people make their final decision. LearnWorlds offers several pricing plans based on your needs and budgets. There is a starter plan at $24 per month. It is great for beginners who are just getting started with online courses, and it includes unlimited paid courses, a 3-page website, and basic integrations. However, there's a $5 fee per course sale, so keep that in mind if you're expecting high volume sales. Next, there's the Pro Trainer plan at $79 per month. There are no transaction fees. This adds features like custom certificates, live classes via Zoom, and advanced integrations. For larger organizations, there's the Learning Center plan at $249 per month. There is no transaction fees attached to this as well, and it supports up to 20 administrators or instructors and provides a fully white label experience. Lastly, there's the high volume and corporate plan. For this, you will need to contact LearnWorlds sales platform to negotiate with them. What are the pros and cons of using LearnWorlds? First, we talk about the pros. LearnWorlds offers extensive customization, interactive learning tools, and a built-in community feature, fostering engagement among learners. The platform's robust analytics provides valuable insights into learner progress and course performance. How about the cons? The learning curve can be steep for beginners due to the platform's extensive features. Additionally, while the starter plan is affordable, the $5 transaction fee per course sale can add up, potentially impacting profitability. So here's the big question. Is LearnWorlds the best online course platform in 2025? It certainly ranks among the top contenders. Its comprehensive feature set, emphasis on interactive learning, and scalability make it a strong choice for course creators and organizations alike. The platform's continuous innovation, such as the integration of AI-powered tools, demonstrates its commitment to staying ahead in the e-learning landscape. However, the best platform ultimately depends on your specific needs. Factors like budget, desired features, and the scale of your operations should guide your decision. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.